In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meme coin on Pump.fun. To get started, the first thing you need is a Solana compatible wallet because Pump.fun works on the Solana network. Some popular wallet options include Phantom, Solflare, and Backpack. If you do not already have one, go ahead and create your wallet first. As you set it up, make sure you store your recovery phrase somewhere safe and private. That part is extremely important because it is what gives you access to your wallet if you ever need to restore it. Once your wallet is ready, the next step is to add SOL to it. SOL is the token you will use to pay for the meme coin creation cost as well as network fees. You can buy SOL from a cryptocurrency exchange, then send it to your wallet address. It is also a good idea to keep a little extra SOL in your wallet so you are covered for future transactions and any additional activity after your coin goes live. After that, visit the official Pump.fun website. When you arrive, click Connect Wallet, choose your wallet provider, and approve the connection request. This links your wallet to the platform so you can begin creating your token. Now you are ready to start building your meme coin. Click Create Coin and then fill in your token details carefully. You will need to enter a token name, a token symbol or ticker, a description, and a logo or image. You can also add optional links such as a website, an X or Twitter profile, and a Telegram link. Try to choose a memorable name and ticker that match the style and theme of your project, since branding can make a big difference in how people remember your coin. Before launching, take a moment to review everything. Double check the information you entered, make sure the creation fee looks correct, and then click Create Coin. Your wallet will prompt you to confirm the transaction, so approve it there to finish the launch. Once the transaction is confirmed, your Memecoin will be live on Pump.fun. After launch, verify that all of your token details display correctly. Check that the name and ticker are right, confirm that the logo appears properly, and test any social links you added to make sure they work as intended. From there, focus on building a community. Many successful meme coins grow because they keep people engaged. You can promote your project on platforms like X, Telegram, Discord, TikTok, and Reddit, and it helps to stay active with updates and regular communication. Finally, keep monitoring your coin's performance. Pay attention to things like market cap, trading volume, number of